Just got a new eyebrow pencil, and this is a universal shade, so really excited to try it. It is by the brand Winky Lux. You get the little spool on one side to get your brows in place, and then here is the color on the other side. So it looks like a nice dark color, which is good because I do have dark brows. And I'm just gonna get up close, and my brows are quite thin, so we're gonna fill them in. And here is our before. And let's see how it works with the after. Okay, one brow already. Look at the difference. The precision on this is really, really good. I love that slant point. Okay, I'm gonna start by just brushing these a little bit. And then here we go. That's within like 1 minute, super natural looking brows. I can definitely continue layering if I wanted to get them thicker. You can see, you can do these little hair-like strokes in there. And then let's say you mess up, like see how I did that one a little bit of a mess up. I can use my finger, or I can use the spool part here to blend it. So simple. I love this. This will probably become my new brow pencil. And if you're looking for a really good one, I think you're gonna love it as well.